Training will be broken into 4 levels so that you have the option of where you think you can best gain the knowledge and improve your skills. Basic training. If you're someone that does not use a computer much or is just getting started and want to maneuver around without tripping up, learn how to save files, find files, search files, create and edit documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. Do simple calculations, then basic training is for you. Beyond training. If you want to learn how to take your skills beyond the basics and improve what you already know, learn what is really happening inside that spreadsheet, how to maneuver around it with ease, how to easily create, edit, manipulate documents, presentations, and spreadsheet. Beyond training is the answer. Advanced training. If you're comfortable with the basics and beyond and want to learn advanced techniques on how to add drop-down boxes, cross-reference spreadsheets, auto-populate forms, better organize your forms and files, what's going on with that chart, pivot table, and learn advanced formulas, which format functions and formulas to stay away from, and why, advanced training is what you want. Expert training. This is where I will explain and dissect some of my advanced spreadsheets and explain how and why I created them, what my process was, and how they outperformed other softwares and impressed my coworkers, supervisors, and some of my high-up management team. An advanced auto-calculating quote sheet that outperformed my company's then current custom quoting software. A macro-enabled spreadsheet that had the director of our audit division come down and take a look, and then had me presenting it to some high-up brass. How to cross-reference multiple SAP data extractions and use them to your advantage. These and many others that will give you tips, tricks, and continue to improve your knowledge. So whether it's for you, a loved one, that friend or family member that you think could benefit, or memberships for everyone on your team, please check out a video of where you think you might want to start at. Space is limited, so I can provide the best service, and it'll eventually be capped off. Thank you.